In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Jotform. Adding hyperlinks to your forms can significantly enhance user interaction and provide recipients with easy access to additional resources, websites, or pertinent information. So let's dive into the process and explore the various settings where you can incorporate hyperlinks within Jotform. First, let's talk about adding a hyperlink inside your Jotform. To begin, make your way to the Form Elements section and select the Basic tab. Here you'll find a variety of options, but for our purpose, you'll want to choose the Paragraph field. The Paragraph field is invaluable when you're looking to include detailed text in your form, and it's also where you can insert hyperlinks. Once you've added the paragraph to your form, highlight the specific text you want to convert into a hyperlink. With the text selected, head to the toolbar where you'll spot the familiar Insert/Edit link icon, represented by a small chain link or link symbol. Click on it, enter the URL you'd like to link to, and be sure to save your changes. Your users will now be able to click on this text and get directed to the link you've included, enhancing their interaction with your form. Next, let's move on to incorporating hyperlinks in form emails. Start by navigating to the Settings section and then to Emails. You have two types of emails you might want to edit: the autoresponder, which sends an email to your respondents, or the notification email, which is sent to you or other designated administrators. In either of these email types, you have the flexibility to insert hyperlinks. Access the email editor, highlight the desired text, and then click on the link icon in the editor. Insert the URL you wish to include, and remember to save your email modifications. By doing so, each email recipient can easily access the resources you want to share simply by clicking the link in the email. Lastly, let's add a hyperlink to the thank you page. This can be a very strategic touchpoint since it appears right after form submission. To modify this, go to the Settings section and select Thank You Page. You have two primary options here: show a thank you page or choose to redirect to another link. In the editor on the thank you page, you can add and highlight text, then click the Insert Link button to create a hyperlink. Alternatively, if it's appropriate for your form, you may prefer to redirect users to an external link right after submission. This gives you the ability to direct the entire page out to another site, potentially driving traffic where it's needed most. Incorporating hyperlinks into your Jotform is a straightforward process that can enhance your form's functionality and improve user experience. Whether inside the form in autoresponder emails or on the thank you page, hyperlinks make it easy for users to access further information or complete subsequent actions. Remember, each link you create is a bridge to additional content or interaction, offering more comprehensive communication with your audience.